All right, so today I'm making something, I don't know what I call it, but I'm making something. And this is cauliflower fried down with onions and a bunch of seasonings. As you can see, it looks delicious. And this will turn into my gravy. And then this, not gravy, but you know, like this gonna be my sauce. And then I got my other stuff over there I'm gonna pour in there. And then this is cauliflower and noodles. These are some special wheat noodles or something. They don't supposed to have egg in them, but you know, like I showed a video of them saying made in a company that produces eggs and stuff. So do it got eggs or not? You know, I'm just over trying to figure that out, because if it's supposed to not have eggs in it, then what are you doing? So anyway, you see how that's cooking down right here like that? That let me know I can put in my other stuff now. So what my other stuff is coconut milk and chunky salsa. I do not like, oh, I gotta open this. I do not like, let me put this in there real quick. I don't care for, what's the name of, so I use this. This is so easy to make. It takes me like 15 minutes to make this meal. This meal is so easy. And I don't have strawberries, so I'm sorry about that. I mean, strawberries. I don't have mushrooms, so I'm sorry about that. And this coconut milk came from the Dollar Tree, so we're going to bless this in the name of Jesus and pray that this is coconut milk. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it looks like coconut milk. Ooh, it acts like coconut milk. Yeah, it's coconut milk. It's coconut milk, y'all. I'm from the Dollar Tree. The $1.25 tree, y'all. Looking for my rag. I don't know what I did with it that quick. These things absorb so good. It sucks all that right up. Alright. I'm going to stir my stuff up real quick. Alright, let's go check it out. I'll clean all this up in a minute. But yeah, let me stir my stuff real quick. That's what it's looking like, y'all. Ooh, look at that. It's gonna be so good. So I put garlic. I put in here black, oh, I gotta put black pepper in here. Black pepper in here. I'm putting turmeric in it today. I'm gonna shake it on my plate. Like I said, I'm gonna try to start doing that so you guys can see what my dishes look like before I put turmeric in them, because every turmeric turns everything yellow, so you don't get to see how it looks. But this way you'll get to see what it looks like. And I got this over here. It's cooking up nicely. I told you whenever I put vegetables in the pot, the noodles don't stick. These noodles ain't sticking at all. I'm gonna let that cook for a little bit longer. It's almost done. Those aren't white, they're white on the tip, so I know it's not ready yet. This is done. I should taste this because it looks amazing. Look at all the seasons and stuff. Oh my God. Let me put the rest of this black pepper in here while we're looking at it. Black pepper. Black pepper. This black pepper act like you don't be wanting to come out of here. It's been shaking empty for the longest, but every time I shake it, something comes out. So I'm gonna keep shaking that bad boy till I don't nothing come out of it. A little bit of cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper. And a little bit of, no, that's cayenne pepper. I thought it was paprika, but I don't need that. I already put cayenne in here. All right, this looking amazing. I can't wait. I had cheese the other day, so I don't know if I want cheese on this today. So I don't know. We'll see. Yeah. Now we're just waiting on these to cook. This will take the longest of the whole dish. Is just waiting on the noodles to cook. Just want to give them a few more minutes. These kind of, let's see, they're still hard to squeeze. We're gonna let that cook. We're gonna put a lid over this and let that do its thing, and I'll be back. All right, now I got my Italian seasoning here, and I added some Sazon. I forgot I didn't put the Italian seasoning in there, but this is about to be bussin'. I didn't have any mushrooms, is what I was trying to say earlier. So I just took I chopped up onions and sauteed them and put in tomatoes and seasonings and herbs and everything. And I threw cauliflower in here with it. And I'm just using that as my substitute because I don't like the mushy noodle by itself. I gotta have another texture in here. So some is made fried, a little hard, and then some is made soft. So it'll have some texture to it. And y'all know I'm about broth. Look at that broth. Look at that. Look at that broth. Look at that broth. Oh my gosh, this is about to be bussin'. And I think I am gonna put me a slice of cheese on there and add some turmeric. So this is what it looked like without turmeric. And now I'm adding my turmeric. Turmeric, 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 turmeric. And then stir this puppy up. Oh, you know what? I forgot my spinach. Oh, I always forget that at the end. That's what I forgot. Let me grab my spinach because I gotta have some spinach in here. I gotta have a handful a day, baby. A handful a day. I'm gonna get a big chunk of this. Oops. Put right in there. Right in there. I thought I made a mess. Dropping it everywhere. Let me get this off the floor right fast. I hate leaving food on the floor. I'll clean the sink out in a minute. Y'all know how I do. All right. Ooh, this about to be so good. So good. Can you say so good? So good. I said so good. So good. So good. Yes, Lord, this is about to be delicioso. Look at that. Don't it look delicious? Oh, it looks amazing. Amazing. I'm just getting the lettuce wet so it can start breaking down real good for us. I can eat lettuce. I can eat it like this. I don't care. I like spinach. Sometimes I like it soft, and then sometimes I like it because of textures. I'm a texture person. So if I got a lot of mushy, I gotta have the spinach gotta be crunchy. I can't have all that mushy. Can't have all that mushy. Ooh, look at that. It looks amazing. Doo-doo-doo. Mm-hmm. 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 All right, I'll show you a picture when I'm back. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. You guys keep watching. I'm gonna keep posting. Peace.